started. వస్తుందా? లైవ్ వస్తుందా? ఓకేనా? వచ్చిందా? Okay, students. Today we are going to discuss about E-Invoice. Previously, the E-Invoice limit is 20 crores. Recently, amendment in Notification 17 by 2022 on 1st August. From 1st October 2022, every registered taxable person whose aggregate annual turnover exceeds 10 crore in any of the financial year since 2017 to 18 liable to issue e-invoice. Earlier it was 20 crores. The registered person who is required to issue e-invoice shall upload its tax invoice in JSON file on Invoice Registration Portal (IRP) in accordance with the e-invoice scheme invoice 01 and shall get back digitally signed JSON from IRP with IRN and QR code. Let we discuss three types of invoices right now applicable to persons whose 10 crore turnover is exceeds. There will be tax invoice. If the company or individual exceeds 10 crores in a preceding financial years, he must issue tax invoice, e-invoice, and as well as e-way bill. Let me discuss what is meant by e-invoice. E-invoice is an invoice generated in the e-invoice login portal. Let me go to e-invoice login portal. E-invoice login. We have to go for e-invoice login portal. For every registered person, there will be e-invoice login details, same as e-way bill login details. Let me discuss practically how to generate e-invoice through government portal. One of my client password and user ID I will enter. After entering the e-invoice login portal, from this website only you have to generate e-invoice. There will be two types of e-invoices. From software like Tally, we can generate invoice directly from Tally software, or we can generate manually from the government portal. Before going to generate e-invoice, we have to download some tools for generating e-invoice. E-invoice portal. This is the E-Invoice government portal. From these help, there will be a tools tab in that bulk generation of tools. E-Invoice generate JS1 preparation format, export and deemed export. For example, we have to download this JSON Excel utility. I have downloaded already. I will show the format and I will show the invoice details to generate e-invoice. These are the invoice details to generate e-invoice. Supplier details, buyer details, and product details, description of the details, and vehicle number. With these details, we can generate e-invoice as well as e-way bill. Directly, if we generate e-invoice, e-way bill also will be generated. Let me see how the e-invoice will be generated and how e-way bill will be generated. I already uploaded the invoice. I will show the format of e-invoice of government portal. This will be the e-way bill. This is the tool to generate e-invoice. First, the guidelines will be given in the tool, Excel tool, e-invoice. We have to enter the details of the party whose e-invoice is required. Type of supply. You should enter document type, document number, document date, GST, buyer GST number, buyer legal name, buyer POS, buyer address, buyer location, buyer PIN code. After entering all these details, you need to generate or validate. If there is error, it will be show. If there is no error, you can generate directly JSON file. After generating JSON file, you need to go to e-invoice login portal to upload this JSON file to generate e-invoice. We'll go to e-invoice portal. This is the e-invoice portal. We have already logged in. After that, bulk upload we have to select and choose the file which is generated JSON file to upload and to generate e-invoice. After uploading, we may get an e-invoice bill from the government. The format will be like this. After generating e-invoice will be like this. E-invoice details, transaction details, party details, details of the goods or services. E-way bill also will be generated. We can download from directly e-invoice login. E-way bill, this is e-invoice with the reference with the e-way bill number. You can download the e-way bill also. I have already downloaded. This is the e-way bill. You have to attach the e-invoice, tax invoice and e-way bill to transport the goods to buyer. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If there any doubt, you can contact me or you can comment me in the comment section.